Hey guys, it's me, Logan Puppet, back at it again with another vlog. So today, we're back here at the park, and it's like super fun and stuff. Also, it's kind of raining, but it's not raining, it's kind of sprinkling right now. So, yeah, so I'm on this little bouncy thing right now, and it's like super epic and super fun. So, I'm just gonna do my thing. Well, look at me go. Well, oh hey, I'm picking up speed. I'm picking up speed. Well, I'm on the swing now, and like this weather is super epic up here. Yeah, you guys should come and visit sometime. So I'm on the swing, just swinging and. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get on a little spinny thing now. It's gonna be so much fun. Yeah. We're gonna go in a merry-go-round now. This is gonna be epic. Yeah. We're going on the slide now. Yeah. Okay guys, so right now I'm climbing up the steps and this is gonna be a pretty epic slide. I'm at the top step now. This should be pretty easy. I might regret this later, but well, here goes nothing.